Hey, I am running a...
This is Mr. Souza. What coverage? Health insurance?
God, why? Yeah, that's quite enough.
Does it go? I'm awake now.
I had speaker on, that's why.
Wait, should I dial? Do you want to get the dial?
Yeah. Let's get the dial.
Just do it from the keypad.
Mike,
Yeah, who's this?
Mike, this is Cameron. I'm looking at Diego. He's just trying not to look at me. Alright. I'm ready.
Application? What are you talking about?
I believe you submitted it like 2 days ago, man. You don't remember?
Thank you.
Man, long time no talk to you guys. Last Sunday, I posted the High Ticket Sales Meetup recap video. It's like 30 minutes. It's a freaking movie. Go watch that if you haven't. But it gave me a week off of the kind of behind the scenes Sunday videos where I just talk to the camera. Right now, I am uploading our Black Friday special video. I accidentally exported it in way too high of quality, so it's taking a long time. Do not miss that. If you're watching this video and you have not seen the video that I posted right before this, Race to 10K, not only is there a Black Friday thing in there for people who want to get into the space, it's friggin' funny, if you ask me. Go watch that. Right now, here in 10 minutes, I have some sort of presentation for Beehive. If you know Beehive, it's an email sending ESP. It's an email sending provider, service provider. It's where I send the Because of Sales newsletter from. They are about to release a ton of new features. It's kind of like an iPhone announcement. It's kind of a big deal. But that's what I'm doing. Besides that, I'm like rebuilding community fulfillment. I'm getting absurd levels of tracking. I wonder if I could just show you guys. Something was pissing me off. I was getting pissed off that I don't have access within a snap of a finger to know across everybody why they got a certain result or why they didn't. It takes me too long. I gotta ask too many people, too many questions. So I'm in the middle of building out a pretty insane tracking sheet. It's not done, but it's a lot further along than it was. So today on the agenda, it is Thursday. Post this video, promote the Black Friday special, 12 seats, don't miss, Beehive presentation. And I haven't told you guys yet, but I hired my first coach since 2023. It's not a business coach, it's a running coach. So someone here local in Austin dropped a running program. He's just taking on a handful of people. I'm paying monthly. He's giving me plans. Basically, I'm shadowing his plan, just like slower. And he thinks, man, I feel like I should make a whole video on this. I've been telling you guys 4 marathons. I used to hate running. It was the worst thing ever. And for that reason, I wanted to get good at it, or at least decent. Now, I want to get good. My goal was a sub 3 hour marathon, but also my other goal was run 4 marathons this year. San Antonio, Dallas, Houston, go for sub 3, Austin. We're scratching the plan. I hired the coach. The coach is a professional. He told me, dude, you're going to injure yourself and you're probably not going to hit sub 3, which I kind of already knew on the sub 3. So what we're doing instead, we're going to back off some of those marathons. I think I'm going to do a half in San Antonio and the full in Houston. And he says, based on numbers, and if I keep training hard, a sub 3 in March or April is not out of the possibilities. And that might be in Eugene, Oregon or Marquette. I don't know where Marquette is. Sub 3 is a goal I've wanted to hit. Just like if you guys lift weights, which I feel like is way more common, your first time benching 225, you're like, you feel like a god, basically. It's like checking a box on your man card. This is kind of that for me. I remember working so hard to get up to 225 bench. It was fulfilling, and this is kind of like the next thing. Yeah, quick update there. I'm running 6 days a week now, and I'm running a lot, and it's kicking my ass. We're staying busy, I will tell you that much.
Hijacked by algorithms, controlled by gatekeepers. And yet, the fire never died.
Something cool happened today. Proof of concept that what we do works. You guys remember when I told you that we sponsored this ex-Marine who was in between a rock and a hard place, and we sponsored his community membership, offering him a buy now, pay later. Well, we're still working on the documentary, still waiting for him to just like really start crushing it. He did make 10K in his first 16 days on the offer, but then the offer kind of dried up a little bit. But he did just pay us in full for the lifetime membership. And I don't know, man, I'm a simple guy. Proof is in the pudding. I don't think he would have paid us in full 30, 60 days later if we weren't doing what he was expecting. It feels good knowing that what we're doing is working. It's always little things like that. We work out these deals. Sometimes they don't go in our favor. Honestly, we never work out those deals. But little things that just, we extend our goodwill, and hopefully it usually comes back. Doesn't always, but this is one of those where we helped the guy out. He stayed true to his word, proof that the process works. Hey, y'all mind if I put y'all in game real quick? I bet you didn't know you could do this. Or maybe it was just me that didn't know. Yeah, man, come on now. I was digging around on the American Express app one day, and I just found a button that said, order a new card. Actually, is that what it said? Or something about, yeah, replacement card. But they let you pick like a new design, and it's free. So one of my cards, the one I've had the longest, was not working. The chip was kind of messed up. It was almost time to replace that card anyways. I'll show y'all something. But you can just order all brand new designed American Express cards for free, and they'll just send them to you. That's what's on the right, nice and shiny. The ones on the left, that's the one. Yeah, that one got bent, chip is messed up, but in case y'all didn't know, you can just get a new card if you want it. You can go get a rose gold one if you're into that. Me personally, not really. You? Maybe. You go ahead and throw the plat in the front, 2 golds in the back. Shout out Cole, man. Cole has connects to just random stuff, and one of the things was this wallet. My dog ate my wallet. She ate the whole wallet. And so then I started using this one. This one's pretty sick.
Into wanting to be an MC was a dude by the name of Big L.
Yeah, Mac Miller, bitch. Way to go, never running out of gas. 120 on a dash, I don't ever need a map. Mr. Tom, can you please direct me where I'm going? Take a journey through my head, you'll be Motrin. Flicking and splitting it, rolling it, hitting it. Pitches never change up. Boy meets the world, no Corey and Topanga. Different kinds of haters always tend to twist their face up. Bitches want some magic, I ain't with Hermione Granger. Lace up your
I haven't informed you guys, but if you're in Austin, Texas, Lester Pearl Cold Brew, I think they have a few locations. The one on the east side is close to me. It's like a top 3 strongest cold brew, right behind Desnudo. If you're a hustler, you got a caffeine addiction, go to Desnudo. Go to
you with them chicken heads, they just trying to get your bread. Think you getting pussy and a night with just a kiss instead.
I wanted to plug you guys into this audio and video clip of a community member who's like 8 days in. Actually, there's a screenshot I could throw up. Is it 8 days or 8 applications and 3 interviews, 1 offer, a bunch of second round interviews, a little bit of a sales background, but not too much. Here are his words about the serial sales community.
I know you got an interview, you had that 1 offer, you got some other stuff going on. So what's the latest? Like, what do you think is the best, most helpful thing we can talk about?
Ooh, honestly, you made this shit so easy. It's like how can you not? It's like you plug in, you follow the step, and it's so simple to follow. Like you saw my comment, I just saw your Instagram story. I'm just like, yeah, the serial sales system is just, it's that. Like if I could pay $1 over again, I would, because it's just such an easy system to plug into. I feel like I've reached a point in my week where I'm just like, okay, I'm busy. I'm not pumping out apps. I'm still working the apps that are like pushing me through interviews. Like I have a 3rd interview on Monday, which is basically a vibe check with a CEO from the ADHD Entrepreneurs offer. I have the 2nd interview today. I got offered the thing from which, I'm definitely going to follow you guys' advice. It feels good to be accepted, but at the same time, I'm here for something more long-term. It's difficult to ask questions in a very good way, because I'm just like, you guys
definitely
killed it.
He said it, not me. Hopefully that means something. Oh, something cool though. Hold on, there's been a bunch of other wins. We've had a lot of wins. I haven't been posting as much, but I'm gonna do some editing and I did tell you guys about the Marine Corvette that we sponsored. It was like the homie of someone who came in, crushed it. He got his Marine Corps buddy in. We worked out a buy now, pay later that we will not do with you, by the way. And he just paid us in full. I told you about that. And he referred another guy, another Marine Corps guy. He's like, I don't know his exact situation, haven't spoke to him. But I was telling someone the other day that a lot of our business now is coming through referrals. And I was on an onboarding, or we call them a roadmap call. It's this first call that people have with me. Small group, up to 3 people. And for the first time, 2 of the 3 people in that call, brand new, were straight up referrals. They were referrals from our boy Garrett, who I have an interview with. where he did 13K in his second month. Now he does like 25K. And then our boy Michael, don't have an interview with him yet. He works a tech sales job and then just DM sets on the side, makes the side income, loves it. That's cool. There's a lot of things that prove the concept of what we do now, but that was cool for sure. Another thing I forgot to tell you guys about, we hit 1,000 miles on the bike. I want to give you a bike review that I wish was sponsored because this thing was not cheap, but it is not sponsored. This is an honest review. This thing is fun as hell. Fun as hell, easy, convenient. If you live in like a city environment and there's bad traffic, there's like sidewalks and trails and streets, you gotta pay for parking everywhere, gas is expensive. This thing, fun as hell. Now, I have the 2-seater, so I'll ride it with my fiance, but you don't even need the 2-seater. The only complaints I have, due to my own error, let's say, I did drop the bike once or twice and I kind of messed up some of the wiring with the starters, so I have to like rig it up, but I can fix that. I don't know if you can see that. And then I broke the casing on here and so the wires don't stick all that well. Besides that, GOAT power bikes, I can tell that the brakes are starting to go a little bit, so I'll just get probably some new brake pads here shortly. Dude, 10 out of 10. There's a sticker here. It is pseudo street legal, so you can actually unlock it to go way faster than it's supposed to, which I don't really do too much. I just kind of cruise on it. 1,000 miles in, that's a lot of time on the bike. So that is basically riding it from the east side of Austin to Minneapolis, Minnesota, Chicago, Detroit, Cleveland, or Pittsburgh, Atlanta, Charlotte. I could go to Tampa or outside of Miami. Mexico City is a little further than 1,000 miles. Phoenix, Denver. It's like a cross-country road trip. I do recommend you guys. Probably wondering, what the hell is he talking about? 100K PIF, one call close. Let me explain. Yes, I did technically PIF. Actually, it's technically a payment plan. I payment planned 100K. Well, paid 100 towards 370. And why I did this, I hinted at this in some previous videos, but I have a team that really helps me with everything business related. One of those things being taxes related to the business. Look, I'm no expert, but I hire experts. There is an opportunity to capture bonus depreciation to offset taxable income with American-based movie productions. So I actually found out I'm gonna be investing into a film. I'll actually tell you which one. It's called, I don't know if it's the best name. Basically, why I'm doing this and what I get in return is I get to offset a ton of taxable income for 2025 and moving ahead in the future years. And instead of just offsetting taxes like someone putting 100 grand into a Ford Raptor because I use it for business use, you're offsetting taxes, but you're putting it into a depreciating asset. So it's like you could get 2 birds with 1 stone by getting the bonus depreciation into an asset that's gonna generate income, like actually generate income, not like put a Ford Raptor in a YouTube video and it might get me a sale or 2. The movie itself, we're incentivized if the movie does well, and it's a very, from what I understand, it's a very de-risked investment as much as it can be, right? Everything has risk. I sent over 100 for a loan on 370 to fund this movie, and in return what I get, I'm an executive producer. I will be at the red carpet. I will probably get to meet and the rest of whoever else was involved in the movie. I will be on IMDb as an executive producer. My name will be in the credits. Really, dude, I don't care too much about movies, but what I do care about is making money, saving money, and having the money work for me so that I can get ahead faster and build momentum at a young age and compound. So yeah, the way that this happened is I got introduced to the company that like kind of facilitates these deals through my tax guys. I watched a call recording that they had with him talking about the opportunity. I then had a call with the guy who runs that company and my tax guy, and it was a 30-minute call. I really didn't have too many questions, just wanted to get to know him, they get to know me. Then we decided to commit. And so this will be the second year where I am just kind of playing offense with taxes, completely within tax code, like not doing anything too crazy, but I technically did get 1 call closed for 100K over Zoom. And I had to do a little clickbait because it's kind of true, but we're trying to grow on YouTube, man. That movie, I think it's going to like some European Film Festival early 2026, and then it should be coming to theaters. I'll probably go watch it and go out to the red carpet. It was actually filmed in Austin, believe it or not, for some of it. Last Sunday, I posted our recap from the High Ticket Sales Meetup, our 3rd annual, where we had 100+ people interested in the remote sales thing or doing it. Fly down, go watch that. It's like 27 minutes. If you guys have ever watched like any Nelk content, I'm not gonna lie, I used to be a viewer. It's fun, it's entertaining. It kind of reminds me of that a little bit, just like a good ass weekend with a bunch of cool remote salespeople, business owners. Go watch that. It would be not 1 video back, but 2. It's called High Ticket Sales Meetup 2025. But the last 1 video back Black Friday announcement. I'm not going to spend too much time here. We're taking on 12 people. We're running a competition to go from 0 to 10K. It's a race. The winner gets an all expenses paid trip down to Austin, and they get a new cool remote laptop lifestyle that makes them money. If you're interested in the remote sales space and you want support, leaderboards, accountability, some prizes, potentially a rebate on the membership for our community, watch that last video. We start December 1st. Do not miss it. We already have some people enrolling into that. Little chill video here. If you're new to the channel, every Thursday is going to be an educational deep dive video that's going to help you with remote sales jobs, break into the industry, something like that. Every Sunday is me documenting the behind the scenes of building that business, helping people. I mean, you saw this video, like doing some fun stuff, being a dude, growing online businesses, trying to build wealth, here and there sprinkling in some remote sales games, some testimonials. But now, that's it. That's this video. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm about to go edit this and then watch Texas versus Georgia. And I hope we have a good outcome. I hope Texas does what they need to do. Can't make this up. As I'm recording this, there's Fanbase's dashboard. Probably can't even really tell what that is. New customer. We just had another dude, Trevor, join the community. Trevor, I don't know you yet, but I'll get to know you soon. And I appreciate you guys, you, Trevor, and anyone else who takes the bet with us. What we sell isn't cheap, but it is damn good. And I love what we do, man. We help a lot of people and it's fun. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for trusting me in my business. Let's keep it pushing. I'll see y'all next week.